Hey, what's up guys? Antonio here once again with another Ford Police Interceptor video. On this video here we have a 2010 Ford Crown Victoria PV7 that is now ready to be sold. This is a one owner clean title K9 unit. Okay, prior K9 unit, miles is about 110, 109 with about 6846 on the idle hours. Okay, so again, it's a 2010 PV7. Okay, and this car is now ready to be sold. Okay, so if you guys have any questions regarding the vehicle, please feel free to reach out to us. Visit our website at www.drivecarsmart.com or send us or give us a call at 909-457-5500. And remember guys, we do not sell salvage titles. All of our titles are clean. Okay, and you do get 3 months or 3,000 miles of limited powertrain service contract. I'm sorry. Okay, engine, transmission, differentials. Okay, so 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. Okay guys, so on the description you will see all the information on the vehicle plus on our website. Okay, so here we go guys. 2010 Ford Crown Victoria K9. So both spotlights are functional. We have a Gold Rhino push bumper. We have the Goodyear RSA tires. Good tire life remaining all the way around. The antenna that's on top is for display only. Same thing with the ones on the trunk. Okay, display only. They are not connected. All right. This vehicle, let's look at the gap. It says flex fuel, but we'll verify that with Ford. Again, we do not just go based off the cap nor the emission sticker. We have to actually we will call Ford directly and find out if the vehicle is flex fuel. We don't want to put the wrong fuel in there. All right, so that is the outside of the vehicle. Now let's jump into the inside. So we got driver's door. This door does not have ballistics. A very light door. Okay. We got a nice tan interior. All right, let's go to the back door. So you do have the cage on the actual window. If you roll the window, it will display the cool cage on the outside. Looks pretty awesome. Okay, perfect. All right, let's get to the trunk. 1 second. All right, it's our trunk. We have a full spare. Let's look at the 1 second. Let's look at the door on this side. Okay. It's got a Ray Allen K9 equipment. cage. Okay. Passenger door. Okay. The radio is actually removed to the bottom portion here. And remember, the spotlights are non-LED. They're Unity on both sides, and again, they are fully functional. All right, so let's take a look at under the hood. All right. So remember, guys, on our engines, we're never going to detail the engines, clean them up, put armor all over them, or any type of chemical. We do not want to harm the engine. Okay, so I'd rather show you and give you a normal looking engine that runs good than a beautiful looking engine that runs like what. So perfect. All right. So there you go, guys. 2010 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor that is now ready to be sold. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 909-457-5500 or visit our webpage at drivecarsmart.com. And guys, I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch these videos. And sometimes excuse my the camera, and excuse I guess sometimes the verbiage, as I don't edit. Just how I record them is how I post them. I don't have time for that. We're so busy. So but again, thanks for watching, guys. Consider hitting the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and consider subscribing. And if you're interested in an Interceptor, guys, please feel free to reach out. I really do try my best to get these cars in really good conditions, and as far as the restoration, I really try my best to get these cars looking phenomenal for the new owner. But if you don't like this car, you might want a white one, you might want a copper one. We have quite a few. So we have black, silver, white. We got some on that side. We got Explorers, we got Ford Tauruses, we got whatever the police department has, we got. Okay, guys, so thank you for watching again, and have a blessed rest of day. Thank you.